In the economic world, rising interest rates can spell trouble. Today, we delve into the impact of these rising rates on small businesses in the United Kingdom. Interest rates, a crucial cog in the economic machine, have been on an upward trend in the UK, causing a stir in the small business sector. Our insights are drawn from multiple sources, including news reports and first-hand accounts from those at the helm of these businesses. As we proceed, let's unravel the effects of these rising rates on the engines of the UK economy. The small businesses. Small business owners are feeling the pinch. The once low-cost financing options are now becoming a luxury they can ill afford. Imagine being a small business owner like Hannah Vini, founder of Sycamore Communications. You've worked tirelessly to build your company, nurturing it from a fledgling startup into a thriving enterprise. But now you find yourself being cautious with your company's growth due to successive interest rate increases. The Bank of England's interest rate hike has led to a decrease in small business confidence and limited access to low-cost finance. It's a tough pill to swallow, isn't it? Or consider the predicament of Cameron Salim, another small business owner who is grappling with the increased cost of borrowing. He, like many others, is considering changing his business plans. It's a bitter reality that when interest rates rise, the dreams of expansion and growth often have to be scaled down or shelved. The rising interest rates have also dealt a blow to consumer spending. When borrowing becomes more expensive, consumers inevitably tighten their belts, and businesses, especially small ones, bear the brunt of this reduced spending. It's a vicious cycle, one that could lead to a slowdown in economic growth. Nick Starb, founder of the Elite Sales Academy, highlights this very concern. The cautiousness among firms, he warns, will likely curtail economic growth. It's a grim picture, but one that cannot be ignored. As rates continue to soar, the dreams of many business owners are being grounded. But what does this mean for the larger economy? The ripple effect of rising interest rates goes beyond individual businesses. It has grave implications for the overall economy. The cautious approach to growth taken by firms, large and small, is contributing to a slowdown in economic growth. For instance, the construction sector, a key driver of the UK's economy, is facing a period of stagnation, according to a survey by the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors. The net workloads balance, a measure of the sector's activity, dropped to -1% in the final quarter of last year. This is a stark contrast to the +17% and +30% we saw in the two previous quarters. This stagnation is not limited to the construction sector alone. The ripple effect of rising interest rates has also impacted consumer spending. With borrowing costs on the rise, consumers are tightening their belts, leading to a decrease in spending. This in turn affects businesses, particularly those in the retail sector, further slowing economic growth. But the challenges don't stop there. The construction sector, already facing stagnation, is also grappling with a shortage of skilled labour. This shortage stems from a variety of factors, including the coronavirus pandemic and Brexit. This scarcity of skilled labour has led to difficulties in filling vacancies, further hampering this sector's contribution to the economy. And let's not forget the property market. Once booming during the COVID pandemic, it has cooled down significantly. With interest rates on the rise and the spectre of recession looming, the property market adds to the challenges facing the UK's economy. The rising tide of interest rates is indeed causing a storm in the UK economy, but are there any solutions or relief measures on the horizon? In these turbulent economic times, calls for relief measures are growing louder. The chorus is echoing across the UK, with small businesses at the helm urging for a decrease in interest rates. They are the lifeblood of our economy, yet they bear the brunt of these financial pressures. To alleviate this burden, several measures are being proposed. Tax breaks for small businesses, for instance, could provide a much-needed respite. An increase in the VAT threshold, tackling late payments, and reducing business rates are all part of a broader relief strategy. But it's not just about immediate relief, it's also about the future. The government is walking a tightrope, balancing the need to control inflation with the necessity to support small businesses. There's talk of inflation peaking in the short to medium term, indicating a light at the end of the tunnel. While the future may seem uncertain, the resilience and adaptability of small businesses in the face of adversity remain unquestionable. The world of economics is indeed a complex dance, with interest rates playing a pivotal role. We've traversed through the current scenario of rising interest rates and its ripple effects on small UK businesses. We've also delved into the resultant economic slowdown and the increasing calls for relief measures. It's imperative to grasp these economic trends as they echo through every sector, influencing the very heartbeat of business and commerce. Stay informed, stay ahead. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Until next time, keep an eye on those interest rates.